Hello students, I am Dr. V.P. Deshpande, Head Department of Physics, Shivaji College, Kannad. Now your today's article is LCR circuit. Now this LCR circuit means it contains inductance L, capacitor C and resistance R in series and which is connected to battery. A cell of EMF E is connected to the series LCR circuit. Let I be the current in the circuit. After a time t second, the potential difference across R is by Ohm's law. This is IR. The potential difference across L inductance is minus of L into di by dt, and potential difference across capacitor is Q by C. Now using Kirchhoff's voltage law, total voltage is divided into 3 voltage. Therefore, total voltage E is equal to, that is voltage across resistance, voltage across capacitance and voltage across inductance. Therefore, E is equal to IR plus L into di by dt plus Q by C. Now I is equal to dq by dt. Therefore, di by dt is equal to d2q by dt square. And if d is equal to d dt, capital D is equal to small d dt, then d square is equal to d2 by dt square. Therefore, E is equal to given by d capital D into R into Q plus LD square Q plus Q by C, or E is equal to Q is taking common in bracket LD square plus RD plus 1 upon C, or by dividing L we get D square Q plus R upon L into dq plus Q upon LC, which is equal to E upon L. Now substitute R upon L is equal to 2B and 1 upon Lk is equal to K square. We get d2q by plus 2B dq plus K square Q is equal to E upon L, which is equal to K square EC, or d square d2q plus twice b into dq plus k square in bracket q minus ec is equal to 0. Now this is a differential equation. Therefore, let x is equal to q minus q0. We want to simplify this second order differential equation. Therefore, dx by dt is equal to dq by dt, and d2x by dt square, that is double derivative of this, which is equal to d2q by dt square. Therefore, capital D into x, which is equal to dq, and d square d2x is equal to d2q. Therefore, d square d square x plus twice b dx plus k square x is equal to 0. Now this is second order differential equation. We have to solution of this second order differential equation is x is equal to a to the power minus of b plus under root of b square minus k square dot t plus b to the power minus of b minus of under root of b square minus k square dot t. If m is equal to under root of b square minus k square, Then x is equal to e to the power minus bt, a e to the power mt plus b e to the power minus of mt. To find a and b, the initial condition are at t is equal to 0, q is equal to 0, and t is equal to 0, I is equal to 0, which is equal to dq. Q minus q naught is equal to e to the power minus of bt, a e to the power md plus b e to the power minus of md. Because at t is equal to 0, q is equal to 0, we have minus of q naught is equal to a plus b. Also differentiate equation I is equal to dq, which is equal to e to the power minus of bt, m a e to the power mt minus b e to the power minus of mt minus of b a e to the power mt plus b e to the power minus of mt. By substituting second condition that at t is equal to 0, I is equal to 0 or dq is equal to 0, therefore we have m into a minus b minus of b a plus b is equal to 0. Now substituting this value, we get a minus b is equal to minus of b q naught upon m. Therefore, by putting this value, we get a is equal to minus of q naught upon 2, 1 plus b upon m, and b is equal to minus of q naught upon 2, 1 minus b upon m. Therefore, the equation becomes q is equal to q0, 1 minus half of e to the power minus of bt in bracket 1 plus b upon m e to the power m plus 1 minus b upon m e to the power minus mt. Three cases can be considered. If first case is b square is greater than k square, or r square upon 4l square is greater than 1 upon lc. In this case, both roots are real, that is minus of b plus or minus under root of b square minus k square. This is called as over damped. Now case number second, if b square is equal to k square or r square upon 4l square is equal to 1 upon lc, which is called as critical damped. Since the roots are equal, the solution is q is equal to a plus b t e to the power minus of t upon tau, where tau is equal to 2l upon r. Case 3, if b square is less than k square or r square upon 4l square is less than 1 upon lc, this is called as underdamped case, or which is a oscillatory case. In this case, b square minus k square is imaginary and the roots are under root of b square minus k square is equal to j omega, where j is equal to under root of minus 1. Therefore, the equation of q becomes q is equal to 1 minus half of e to the power minus bt in bracket 1 plus b upon j omega e to the power j omega t plus 1 minus b upon j omega e to the power minus j omega t. Now you know about the e to the power j omega plus e to the power minus j omega by 2 is equal to cos of omega t, and e to the power j omega t minus e to the power minus j omega t divided by twice j, which is equal to sine of omega t. Therefore, which is equal to q is equal to q naught 1 minus e to the power minus of bt upon omega k cos theta cos of omega t plus k sin theta sin of omega t which is equal to q0 q naught 1 minus k upon omega e to the power minus bt cos of omega t minus theta, which is the general solution of this equation. Now this figure shows the variation of q with it with time. It is oscillatory. The amplitude of the cos term a e to the power minus of bt decreases exponentially with time as shown by the plotted curve.